October 15th, 2018, 7:10 p.m. I've got an email from Madeleine Albright. Our democracy is at risk. Friend, we are at an extraordinary crisis point in our democracy. Never before have we had an American president who disregards our Constitution, disparages our judiciary, and aligns with so many authoritarian leaders, and never before have we seen a Congress so flagrantly abdicate its constitutional responsibility to keep a reckless president in check. In 3 weeks, we'll have the chance to elect a Democratic Congress that will stand up to Trump and restore integrity to our government. With the final FEC deadline before Election Day in fewer than 48 hours, there's never been a more important time to show you're committed to that effort. Will you make a $3 contribution before Wednesday's FEC deadline to elect Democrats who will put a critical check on Trump? Donate $3, $10, $25, $50, $100, or donate another amount. We are witnessing a bulldozing by a president who fundamentally believes he is above the law, who has stacked our courts with far-right judges. I thought he was just a rapist. I didn't know he was far-right. And who has called the press the enemy of the people. We simply can't afford to wait until 2020 to correct course. We have to do it now. The future of our democracy is hanging in the balance, and electing a Democratic Congress next month is the only way to hold Trump and the Republicans accountable. Time is running out to make a difference in this year's midterm elections. Will you make your first $3 donation of 2018 to elect Democrats nationwide before Wednesday's final deadline? Thank you for fighting to defend our democracy. Madeleine Albright, 64th United States Secretary of State, 20th United States Ambassador to the United Nations. P.S. We simply must elect a Democratic Congress this month. Anything less would be a gift to Trump and his Republican Party. Make a $3 donation before Wednesday's last FEC deadline to elect Democrats who will stand up for our democracy.